Alright, let's be honest. If I told you there was a way to make money while you are literally doing nothing, just lying on the couch, you'd probably scroll past, right? You'd think it's a scam. But what if I told you the laziest way to earn dollars online is actually just having a good signal? So here's how this thing works. Companies like banks and insurance companies need to test if their SMS messages are getting through. So apps like McMoney pay you real money just to receive those test texts. You sign up, they send you a signal, and boom, your balance goes up. But here's the kicker. You'll see a lot of people online complaining. I've been doing this for a month and I haven't cashed out. And I've figured out why. It's not about luck, it's about network connectivity. If you're in a spot with sketchy Wi-Fi or poor mobile data, the messages don't come in fast enough. But if you're in an area with strong premium network speeds, the messages flood in. You hit that payout threshold in days, not months. Look at this. Right now, I've got 3.55 cents in the tank. I only need $7 to cash out, and you get paid exactly 0.074 per message. Now, I know you're thinking, yeah, but does anybody actually get paid? Let me show you the receipts. Here's my transaction history. That's 23.31 cents paid via PayPal on July 2nd. And then another one, $10.51 paid out in March. See, it's not a fantasy. The money goes straight to PayPal. Now, if you really want to speed up things, you use the referral code. See, when I signed up, I got a $1.48 registration bonus just for using a friend's code. And when you share your own code, you stack bonuses every time a friend starts texting. Now here's the move. I've already done the work for you. Down in the description section, I've planted the invitation link and my referral code right there. All you have to do is tap it. Here's why that matters. If you just download the app from the store without using the link, you get a 0 bonus. But if you use the link and code in my description, you automatically unlock that 1.48 cents registration bonus instantly. That's nearly a quarter of the way to your first $7 payout before you've even received a single text. It's literally free money just for using the right link. Disclaimer, I have to keep it 100 with you. This is not a get-rich-quick scam. You're not quitting your job over this. This is beer money, gas money. That extra $10 or $20 that shows up in your PayPal when you least expect it is the laziest way to earn something, but only if your connection is fast enough to actually get the texts. If you're sitting in a good Wi-Fi zone and want to start stacking those 74-cent messages, the link and code are already waiting for you in the description. Tap it, grab that 1.48 cents starter bonus and start earning. I'll see you on the next one.